Hi, this video is for Rich and Anthony. My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I've made a short video for you guys, and in this video I'll be showing you 3 things you could do today to help you bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of the video you like what you heard and saw, shoot me a message and we can chat. If not, that's okay with me. So now let's get right into it. The 3 things I want to talk to you about today are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So starting with your home page of your website, I want to talk about content. So this works for every website, every industry, just as a general rule, just to get ranked on Google. I'm giving you these free tips today. So you want to have at least 1,500 words or more on this home page right here. And apart from that, everything else matters too. The clickable buttons, the pictures, the videos, all that stuff matters. Even how you give the pictures matters. So let's check this one right here, for example. So we'll try to save this image. So it pops up as the actual device, I guess. I don't know what this is, a modular chiller. But this is a space which gives you an opportunity to change the description and put keywords there, which will actually help rank this picture higher, and people can search the picture, in return searching your website and your business. So all these little things add up to a big end difference and rank your website higher than your competitors. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. And before I do that, I'll show you this quick search I did on Google, just to show you exactly what customers will see when they search any business on Google. As you can see, this top section right here is the first thing that pops up. This is called the Google Guarantee. It's a paid service by Google, which just to get on there, you got to go through a verification process with Google. After you go through that and they approve you, you'll be able to put an ad over here. And in my experience, it's a really great place to be. It's the first thing customers see, and it gives really good links. After that, we go down to the traditional Google Ads section, which in 2020 is kind of hit or miss because a lot of people have ad blockers on their browsers, in which case they'll not see this at all. And secondly, some people just have had pretty bad previous experiences on clicking on these advertisements. But as you can see, companies still do it. If it's placed properly, you'll get good leads. If it's placed improperly and the words are not good, it'll be a big money pit. Just a little word of advice. And then we move down to the map pack. This is also where I'll explain to you what a citation is. Citation is basically any website or any place on the web which allows you to put in your business information, such as your name, address, phone number. So this map pack basically does exactly that. It shows the name of the business, the address, the phone number, as well as links to the website and the hours of operation. So we help businesses get up here in this top 3 section. It's really good for customers. This also pulls up on phones as well. And lastly, which is referred to as the organic section. Here you'll see the websites which have actually organically ranked up by the things that they have done through SEO and other means on the first page of Google searches. So obviously that's a great place to be. And thirdly, I want to talk about backlinks. Backlink is basically any website out there which is giving a link to you guys, to your website. That basically can help bring in traffic and backlinks and keywords to you guys. So I've gone ahead and put your information in this tool I use. This tool is called Ahrefs. It's a really nice tool. It's a monthly subscription. I pay for it basically, but it gives me data that I need to assess the performance of any website. So as you can see, I've typed in your name. I can see here that you only got 74 referring domains, giving you 183 backlinks, giving you 529 keywords, which in return gets you about 223 organic traffic per month. Now to put this into context, I'll show you another top competitor in the New York City area and see what their numbers look like. Here is their performance. As you can see, it's a big difference. They've got 826 referring domains, 4,200 backlinks, giving them 7,800 keywords, which brings them at least 18,000 people to their website every single month organically. So this was just to show you where you want to be headed. Now to boost these numbers and put them up, it's definitely very doable, and that's what we specialize in. With that, I'll take you back to your website. I'll told you I'll keep this video as short as I can. That's all I had for you today. I hope you liked the video and found it to be educational. And if you'd like to know more about what we NYC marketers can do for your business to help you grow online, give me a call. My information will be in my email signature that I sent you. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today. If you could please just give me some feedback on the video and how I did, I'd really appreciate that. Thank you for your time, and you have a great day.